How are you?
Fine.
I think you got a new gift. What is that?
That is Jeep.
Oh my god, that's a very big Jeep. That's a transparent.
The back side also.
Oh, backside, what it has? Andy, what is back?
That is wheel.
Oh my god, what is the color of that wheel?
Yes.
And that's a transparent car.
You move it there.
Oh my god, it's a transparent roof.
Yeah.
And the windows are?
Here.
And that's a transparent windows.
Uh,
Oh my god, such a beautiful Jeep you have. What's the color of that Jeep?
Yellow, white, red, black, white. Only back side.
Okay.
It's a number also you can that.
Oh my god, and you put a small teddy on it. Yes, you put a small teddy on it.
This small rabbit and this is big.
Okay, show me how you drive it. You are saying you have one more rabbit.
That is Papa one.
It's a papa one.
Oh, the Mama baby Papa.
Okay.
Papa is small.
What are you saying?
Mama is big one.
What you're saying?
Baby is small and Papa is big.
Okay. You're saying papa is?
Some big.
Okay. Show me how you ride that Jeep. Show me how you ride that Jeep. Oh my god. Oh my god. What are you saying?
Mama rabbit has one carrot.
Okay.
Because he has carrot because he wants to eat. That's why.
Wait. And what are you saying?
Mama rabbit has carrot also.
And
Carrot, sorry, but.
what they are saying?
You can. You know, see it.
Okay.